Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to jump start the battery in case your vehicle is not starting. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2010 all the way up to 2019. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now the first thing to do is to locate the batteries. So on Ford Taurus it's under the front hood right here on the driver's side, and then you can connect your cables. Now for the purposes of this video I'll be using this small jump starter just because it's very handy to use and it's easy to move around. If you are using a bigger booster pack, or if you are using just the cables and you're connecting to a different vehicle, to a battery in a different vehicle, everything will be completely the same. Now to start, first this is the positive terminal and this here is the negative terminal, right? So positive and negative, and that's very important. You must pay attention. So you always connect red to red, plus to plus, and black to black, and minus to minus. Okay, every battery should be actually marked as well. Where is the positive and where is the negative? If you wipe all of the dust or something, there should be something somewhere. Okay, well, even here on this Taurus you see there's like a minus sign here and a plus sign here, but most of the batteries will be marked as well. And now to connect the booster pack, you want to connect the positive one to the positive terminal. Okay, you want to connect the negative one to the negative terminal, and that's pretty much it. Now everything should be ready. Now this small booster, now it's good to go. It's a green light. I can go inside the vehicle and push the start button and it should start. If you're using a booster pack, you just have to turn it on, and depending on the brand of it, that should be it. If you're using booster cables, then you will connect one side of the cables to your battery exactly like I did here, red to red, plus to plus, and black to black, minus to minus, and then you will connect the other side of the booster cables to the battery on the other vehicle, also like here, red to red, black to black. And then once it's everything connected, you can try and start your vehicle. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.